UT Police has beefed up the security arrangements in and around the city here in Chandigarh because on 3rd of December, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Amit Shah, Union Minister, is going to host an event organized by Chandigarh administration and arrangements made by the Chandigarh administration and police. You can see that officials are still present on the spot here at Punjab Engineering College, Sector 12 of Chandigarh, and the program, the event itself is just because of a lead that Chandigarh has attained in BNS, BNSS, and BSA, the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, and Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita and Bharatiya Saksha Adhiniyam. So these are the three laws that been implemented by Chandigarh, and Chandigarh is the only city UT among all the states and UTs in India that has implemented all these three new laws 100% in its enforcement. And you can see officials of Chandigarh administration and police in a coordination is making the preparations that how the event going to be as demonstration of the event and these laws, how these are implemented in the city, how police act on it. So the demonstration will also be given, and more than 1,000 of policemen are deployed on the spot. SPG and other security agencies have taken over the charge as per as the law and order situation. And also for 3rd of December from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. the event is going to be hosted here, and also for that the security arrangements been on full swings, and you can see the officials present here. For 3rd of December, it's also been seen that no such activities that's breaching law and order situation here in Tri-City should occur, as in previous 2 weeks back, Chandigarh has witnessed a bomb blast in Sector 26 outside a club. So, and also there are incidents like protests that's been going near Chandigarh. So that are also somehow worrying the situation for officials and administration people, that no such security breach should take place. And on 3rd of December, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Amit Shah will host the program for the same, and Chandigarh has marked a lead in implementing all the three laws, and for such the the security arrangements, the law and order situation is being monitored by the official and the police, Chandigarh police here in Punjab Engineering College. With video journalist Aman Gupta, this is Aman Bhardwaj for India Today, Chandigarh.